Hi guys, my name is Priyanshu Jain and you are watching Encyclo Hub. In this video, we are discussing the MPH005 MSc Physics question number 1A. Before starting this, I want to share something. We are providing all types of solutions. If you need if you are doing any type of degree, if you are doing any type of then you are giving any type of exam of competition exams, you can contact us on our WhatsApp number if you have any queries about if you have and you are stuck in any question, so you can contact us on our WhatsApp number and just tell us about the question. We provide all type of questions answers of the PDF in the PDF form, so you have to just tell your questions on the WhatsApp and we provide all type of solution within a day. Now question number 1 is, what are the assumptions made while deriving the ideal diode equation? Explain the fact of temperature on the breakdown voltage of the diode. And this one that you can see, this is the assumption which is diode equation above the diode equation. If you need an answer of this question, so you can contact us on our WhatsApp and we will provide all the answer in a day. Thank you so much.